My son? Why are you so sad, huh? I know, nobody can understand your pain more than you. But I am your father, beta. I cannot see all this.
But Papa, what should I do? It's been 4 months now and there is no news about Akash. How can he go suddenly like that? I don't understand. At least I should know something. That is he alive or not?
My son, if he was alive, he could have come.
Papa, please, please don't say like that. My heart says that he will definitely come back one day.
My son.
Akash, where are you? I miss you a lot. I really miss you a lot. Akash, you will love me the same way, right?
No, I will forget.
How can you even think like that I let you forget me? Won't I kill you for that?
Okay. Megha, do you remember what I told you before marriage? That only you are here for me. I can be always with you. I want to spend my life with you. I want to grow old with you. I feel you in my every single breath. Until when I die, I just want to see you. Not only this life, in every coming lives, I want to be with you.
Really? You remember all that? I just thought that you would have forgotten all that.
Megha, I can forget myself, but I will never forget you.
You told me that you will never ever leave me. Then where have you gone? Please come soon, Akash. Inspector sir, do you know anything?
I'm sorry, Megha ji. We couldn't find anything yet. But our team is working on it right away. And as soon as possible, we'll find something.
I am getting to hear this from many months from now.
We already know that. But what should we do? We are not able to find any evidence, not even link that we can have some ideas. That Mr. Akash, where he is lost right now. He was not carrying even his phone. And not even any device that we can track him. And he was wearing his home clothes. But we are still trying. And we are just focusing on the thing that he was having any enemy.
Inspector sir, how many times should I tell you that he had no enmity with anyone till now? He was such a sweet gentleman that even if someone talked to him once, then he would get attached to that person. Then why will he have enmity with anyone?
We know, but we are focusing on a thing that you did not have any enemy here. That someone liked you, who was behind you, old friend, wanted to know about you. He wanted to get you, and he could not get you, and he might have removed your husband from his way. Inspector Saab, you are questioning on my daughter's character? I'm sorry, Mr. Khanna, but we need to focus on everything. So tell me, Megha ji, is there anyone or anyone was?
No, Inspector sir. There was no one like that.
So who can be Mr. Akash's enemy?
Who's there?
My love story is also good, man. I will live with her, I'll die with her. But I can get killed by someone for love, and I will kill for someone for love. And people say that, na? If you like something from your heart, and whole world will help you to get it. I love you, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hi to know.
How are you?
I am okay. How are you?
I'm all right, teacher. But why are you looking so sad?
How can I be happy? There are so many things happening in my life. The way Akash disappeared suddenly. I don't understand anything. That what should I do now?
I can understand your pain, teacher.
To know? You're too young now. How can you understand my pain?
I'm not that much kid that I cannot understand the feeling of love. You know, you are my very favorite teacher. I cannot see you sad. Just tell me, when are you coming back?
What will I do after coming there? I have memories with Akash in that house. Without him, I will not feel nice over there.
Okay, teacher. I'll call you later.
Okay, Tunu.
Akash. This name, I really don't like it. Especially from your mouth, teacher. Bastard, after death, he's not away. If he would have alive, I would kill him again. Were you a chicken in your last life, huh? Are you eating these beans?
You play all day with this kid over here. Should I get you food? Will you eat something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, Tunnu.
How are you?
I am good. You tell me?
Nothing, I just missed you. That is why I called you.
Yeah. Okay. How are your studies going on? Tell me.
After lockdown, nothing special, teacher. You are not there. I'm not able to study.
Yeah, Tunnu. But you study thoroughly, okay? Alright?
Yes, teacher. Your father lives in Gandhinagar, right?
Yeah.
My auntie also stays in Gandhinagar.
So sweet.
So I'm coming in Gandhinagar. I can have some tuition classes in Gandhinagar, na? And I'll make you laugh like before.
Oh, Tunnu. You think about me a lot. Okay. Then you come to Gandhinagar. I will just send you my address, okay?
Yes, yes, teacher. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, see you. Bye.
I love you, teacher. This is my favorite shirt. Okay, okay, I've taken them. Hello? Hello, I'm just leaving right now. What about the Akash's case? Any progress? Any information? No, sir. We are still on progress. Okay, as soon as possible, I need results. Okay? I'll give you report soon, sir. Okay, good. Yeah, on this right. In this first gate, right? This first gate. Yes, bro. How much? Yeah, take it.
Hey, Tunnu, you! Come. I'm meeting you after such a long time. Sit, Tunnu.
Teacher, this is for you.
Oh, so sweet.
And this also.
Uh, uh, what was the need?
You like it, na? My mother has sent it for you.
Oh, please say thank you to your mom from my side. Papa, this is Tunu. I told you about him, remember?
Yes.
So, he's my favorite student.
Hello, sir. Namaste, namaste. How are you, beta? I'm all right. When you came in Gandhinagar, I came yesterday, sir. Everyone is all right at home? Yes, yes. That is good that you came here. Because of you, my daughter can smile right now. And she'll be happy from today. Because of you, she'll be all right. And you can study nicely. I'll try, sir. I'll try to make her happy. Well done, boy. Well done. Okay, my son. I have some work outside. You should do one thing. You can talk and have fun.
Okay, Papa. Tunu, you didn't get your book?
No, I just wanted to meet you today. I'll get my book tomorrow.
Okay.
Teacher, you know na, we have eaten papaya at your old house. How you just got it while jumping. Lot of fun that was. How sweet that was.
You remember till now?
Yes.
I thought you might have forgotten all
No.
You changed your hairstyle. You're looking
Yeah.
nice.
Teacher,
Huh?
can we play something?
Which one?
That blindfolded game. The same game.
Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, close your eyes. And no cheating. Okay? Okay, Tunu, no cheating. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, where are you? Stop. I'll catch you. Stop. I'll catch you right now. Stop. I'll catch you. I caught you. Caught you. I caught you. I caught you. Teacher? Hey, teacher. Uh,